Mark here from Kernian Cognitive Labs to walk you through the creation of an assignment using TYay. Prior to starting, a rubric for evaluating the assignment in PDF form is required. The write-up of the assignment itself is preferred but not required. The assignment creation I'll demonstrate today is for a lab report in an AP chemistry class on the topic of Le Chatelier's principle. You can see that this is a typical chemistry lab write-up. Most contain pre-lab conceptual information, a description of the materials and devices to use, and a guided experimental process. These things are typically followed by analytical questions that students should answer. A rubric has been produced for this lab. Often AP Chemistry student lab reports contain a goal or a purpose for doing the investigation, a concise description of the lab, sometimes pre-lab questions answered, an image or images of the lab work done, and a table or sometimes a graph or plot exhibiting the data found. And then the analysis of the data and error based on the questions posed in the lab write-up. In this case, you could also see that a conclusion was expected. As you can also see, the rubric provides sample answers of all the items, as well as how to evaluate the items from a points perspective. This assignment, if you added up all the points, would be worth 7 points, but you can make your lab report worth whatever you like. We'll now use the rubric and lab write-up to create the TYay assignment. Clicking on the Your Course button allows you to enter your course, and as you can see, I've already created other assignments. But for now, I'd like to create a new one. So I click on Create Assignment that I will need to title and upload the rubric and optionally the written assignment for. You could upload them from your local drive or your Google Drive, and then you'll ask TYay to create a draft rubric written in JavaScript that will be used to evaluate your submitted lab reports. As you saw before, the title of this particular lab is Le Chatelier's Principle. I'm going to choose a file from a folder that I've prepared containing the rubric and the and an assignment write-up. I'll then click Create Draft Rubric and let TYay work its magic. And it's going to be analyzing the structure of the rubric and many other things. So what we've done is upload the rubric PDF and optionally the assignment page. The AI is going to analyze the documents and detect the subject. It's going to create a draft JSON rubric with questions, prompts, and validation rules that we'll need to review and edit each question for in the editor. We'll approve the questions and then we'll finalize the assignment to your course. Next, you'll see how we can edit this.